In the quaint town of Greenwood, nestled between lush hills and sparkling streams, the seasons painted the perfect backdrop for the changing adventures of four inseparable friends: Mila, Jack, Zoe, and Sam. Spring brought giggles and muddy boots as the quartet planted a vibrant garden. Armed with tiny shovels and boundless enthusiasm, they buried seeds with the promise of sunflowers and tomatoes. Rainy afternoons found them huddled in Mila's porch, crafting elaborate tales about garden fairies guarding their sprouts. Summer ushered in endless days under the sun. The local park was their kingdom, sprawling and regal. Their laugh tear rang through the air as they dashed through sprinklers and shared dripping ice cream cones. Twilight was for catching fireflies, little lights blinking magically in their cupped hands. As leaves turned auburn and gold, autumn called for adventures among the fallen leaves. Dressed in knit scarves and cozy sweaters donated by Zoe's grandmother, they built forts and waged playful wars, their laughter mingling with the crisp air. Pumpkin carving became a fierce yet friendly competition, each striving to create the most whimsical or scariest face. Winter transformed their world into a white wonderland, perfect for snowball fig. TS and sledding down the neighborhood's steepest hill. Cheeks pink and breaths visible in the frosty air, they built a snowman they named Mr. Frosty, complete with a carrot nose and Grandma's old hat. Evenings were for sipping hot cocoa, each mug adorned with an excessive amount of marshmallows, as they recounted their best moments by the fireplace. Through the cycles of bloom and fall, warmth and chill, Greenwood breathed with the spirit of Mila, Jack, Zoe, and Sam. In a town guided by the rhythms of the seasons, four friends discovered that every leaf, snowflake, sunbeam, and raindrop was a verse in their poem of childhood.